Hello, Ethan.
Good afternoon, Adam.
We welcome you to Wahawk Talk this Tuesday, April 10.
Collection is happening now for the House of Hope. Bring items into the counseling office by April 27th.
The Seniors Honors Assembly will be May 11 at 12:30 p.m. in the auditorium. Seniors, if you've been awarded a scholarship you plan to accept, email Ms. Wass by May 1st to have it included in the reported senior scholarships handout.
Seniors, Hawkeye Community College is having dance team tryouts for next year's school year on April 21st at 10 a.m. The team is both open to males and females. Sign up at redtailathletics.com, sports tab, dance page.
Today's events: girls golf at Meadows, 3:15 p.m. Boys tennis versus Waverly-Shell 4 p.m. Boys soccer at Hempstead, 4:15 and 6 p.m.
Girls track at Oelwein, 4:30 p.m. Boys track at Waverly-Shell 5 p.m. Girls soccer at Dubuque Senior, 5:30 p.m. and 7:15 p.m.
Thanks for joining us, and we will see you next time.
Have a great day. Be West.